On se retrouve pour Pupitam chapitre 4, le refuge. Allez, on y va. Chapitre 4, refuge. Vous continuez de vous enfoncer dans les entrailles de Playtime pour aider Poppy à se venger du prototype.
Call the number on screen and order your Dewey today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not ingest or deliver any products in the Dewey line.
What's the time?
This one! I don't know, open this one! I knew it! This is the one I wanted!
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime Factory?
That's right, honey.
Yes!
Jack, don't wander off. Stay right here with them. He's not listening to a thing I say, is he?
Not even a little bit.
Va tomber, c'est sûr. C'est mort, hein.
Somebody shut off that camera!
Ah, Eric, c'est trop bien.
No! Hold on, Kissy!
Ah oui, c'est vrai, on s'est arrêté.
Coming! Listen, go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because of me. Just be careful. Down here, it's not like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it is. It's hell. And Playtime wanted it to be. But we have allies down here. Get to them. There's still time to save the orphans. Follow the redstone. And look out for...
Une batterie, ok. Peut-être que ouais, ils ont fait exprès.
Hey, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please. Thanks. Now more red, please. Out? But we can't be out. You're hiding more red from me. I know you are. You're here!
Oh. Ok. Nouvelle possibilité. peu bégayé, mais c'est pas grave. Ok, ce tuyau là du coup, qui est troué. Ah non, c'est un reflet. Sprint, ok, je sais sprinter quand même. Je regarde un peu quand même. C'était quoi ce bruit? Bah ça veut pas non. On dirait un peu le cri genre Doggy ou chez ou un comme ça. Ah, il faut juste aller là. Il n'y a pas à fermer la porte là. Ok. D'accord. Ils sont en train de dire que avec la main éclairante, ben on peut exploser. Après, vous savez. Mais dommage, il y avait un truc, j'ai pas réussi à voir ce que c'était. Ouf. Ah bah non. Papier, j'avais même pas vu le papier. Ah. Ah, Oli.
It's me again, Ollie. I wanted to talk to you. Before you go inside, I mean. Everything you've seen out here, the piles, the dead, they all came from inside. Believe me, everything Poppy said about this place is true. It's hell. But she also hasn't seen it like I have. It's worse now. Worse than ever. Just try to stay safe. Please. Don't let your guard down for even a second. I'll try to help you when I can.
Ouais. Non, je sais pas, j'ai toujours pas autant confiance en lui en fait. Je t'avais pas vu toi. Salut. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Il faut aller là-bas. Ah. Wesh. Oh! C'est quoi qu'on a récupéré? Clé de la remise. Est-ce que c'est Riley? Je sais pas. La clé, ok, oui. Je sais pas si c'est elle ou pas. Cassette. Leave this place, Aiden.
Hey, Cole.
Hey, Norm.
2 o'clock, huh? Best time of the day.
Yeah.
So, what block are you again?
North.
Can't say I hear much about that one.
You wouldn't.
High security?
Highest security.
Cushy. No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and night, and it just wears on you, you know? I'd kill for a little security. And quiet.
Right. Right. Know what we get in the North? Things. Whatever they aren't people anymore. Their cells might as well be cages. They are animals. Sick. Twisted. Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them.
Sure, but at least then it's not like yelling at your own kids for them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them... Oh, great.
So much for our 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we really do have it rough, don't we?
Bon, du coup, on a plusieurs quartiers, ça c'est bien à savoir. Un. Il faut le mettre où ça? Vas-y, on va dedans. On peut plus bouger. Allez, petit tour de temps. Hein. Ça a arrêté le temps.
Now what's
Ah, le docteur.
this? Do I feel something squirming its way beneath my skin? An invasive foreign little germ. After all this time? Ah, but I see. You. Well, little germ, let's make a game of you. You've blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here, but by the barest skin of your teeth. There are no shadows here that will be of use to you. Not even the ground beneath your feet is yours. There are no places you can hide. Not from me.
Je pense que ça va être le méchant de l'histoire. Ouh. On a encore envie, ça va? Attends, ça me perturbe là. Dans quel sens on est? Échappez-vous de la prison. Salut Michel. Ah. Ok. Ah, regarde pas les caméras là. Là-bas il y a une porte ouverte. Ah ouais, la porte ouverte. Ah, fermer la porte, ok. On me dit de fermer la porte, on ferme les portes. C'est là qu'il faut aller, non? Ah, il faut ouvrir la porte, ok. On n'avait pas fait ça, ok. Ah.
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost and disoriented. Heavy breathing is indicative of fear. And rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when pushed into action.
Fermez les portes, il a dit. Mon perso va pas fermer les portes. Il est un peu autiste. Ah, ça va être compliqué là. Ouh. Je sais pas si ma touche elle bug, je pense. Allez, on recommence.
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost and disoriented. Heavy breathing is indicative of fear. And rightly so.
Ah mais même les
Let's
portes
test
là-bas
the
qui
response
s'ouvrent.
to said fear when pushed into action.
C'est de l'abus, c'est de l'abus, c'est de l'abus. C'est de l'abus.
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost and disoriented. Heavy breathing is indicative of fear. And rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when
Okay.
pushed into action.
Tu dégages, hein. J'essaie de tirer dessus, hein.
I have seen enough. Thank you. You may proceed.
Attends, j'ai pas nickel, hein. Putain, il y a du gaz en plus, c'est bon. Ah, la totale. Ouais, super. Oh, salut.
The name's Yarnaby.
Ben oui, Yarnaby.
Warnaby, my friend.
Alors. On veut un code. 3, 2, 5, 5. Je sais pas ça. 3, 2. Je suis trop fort. Mais on va y arriver à attraper cette barre ou quoi? Oli, t'es chiant. Je fais moi.
Too much interference. Make your way to. There's something. Look, there is.
Est-ce qu'il faut pas le placer là? Oh. Tu sais, j'ai fait ça aléatoirement, vraiment. Ok, il fallait trouver le bon en fait. Relâcher le... Ah, attends, là. Voilà. Du coup, ils ont envoyé des humains pour nettoyer les... Il y avait quoi dans celle-là? Ils ont envoyé des humains pour nettoyer à l'heure de... pour l'heure de joie. Non, 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 il y avait... Ah.
Oh God! No! 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 Doctor! Doctor! What's going on? What's happening? It's...
Yes. Yes, I can hear it. They've staged quite the rebellion. Remarkable. 1006.
How could this happen? There's fail-safes, security measures. It's impossible.
Personal agendas have long been the downfall of this company. Is it unreasonable to believe they were conspirators? Playtime is filled with vipers and backstabbers.
But without executive access, how could anyone even get through? Lathe, Stella, Eddie, only the four of us have that kind of clearance.
Does any of that matter now? It's your life we have to protect. You have executive access.
For all the good it does me, opening a door at a time won't get me to the exit. Not with those things everywhere. You didn't see what I saw. You didn't see the trail of limbs down the hall. Didn't hear the things eating. The wet crunches of bones. God,
There is something you can do, Warden. I can help you.
How? You're stuck in there. You can't...
My body's here, sure, but my mind...
What?
The Omni Hand. If you give it to me, I can get you anywhere. I'll have control over everything. I can shut some doors, open others. I can make you a pathway that leads right to the exit. I don't know. If you want to wait to get torn to pieces, that's your prerogative. But look at your immediate options, Warden. What choice other than this gets you out of here alive?
I'm giving you the tool. Just get me out of here. Please.
Of course. You've made a smart decision, Warden. I promise I'll get you out of here safe and sound.
Oh. Du coup, le docteur est allé voir le directeur. Et il a demandé l'omniement. Voilà. Bah allez, go hein. Vraiment tout le monde qui est mort. Moche. Salut toi. C'était le monde de la sécurité en plus. C'est quoi que je sais même pas ce que j'ai récupéré. Ouais, voilà, c'est ça que j'ai récupéré. Pourquoi retourner ici?
Don't fight. Fighting only makes it work quicker.
Tu vas voir, c'est sûr, je vais mourir comme un bêtement là. Je comprends pas ce qu'il faut faire là. Ah non, c'est fermé. Allez. Je sais plus où il fallait aller, je voyais plus rien. Ah, ça m'a remis là. Ça va, ils sont gentils. Non, je m'en fous. Le code. Cage. Cage. 3642. Il y a la pression, moi je vous le dis. Je me casse. Il y a peut-être une lettre. Tu t'aimes quoi, attends. Alors on était... Ah oui c'est bon, on était ici. Ok. Est-ce que genre... Faudrait pas bloquer la porte genre, du coup, comme l'autre il a été bloqué là. Je sais pas, il y a un câble qui va là peut-être que du coup. Est-ce que on a... Ah. Je la volé la boîte. J'aime bien, ça me pense à une pièce dans un jeu.
You know, I never thought I'd see another like you. A human. Certainly not an employee like you. But something makes you different. I can tell that much. Though, I can't say what exactly that something is. Not yet. The others you faced, 1170, 1188.
Yeah.
Been there, done that. Let's try our hand at something a little different. Oh, Yarnaby.
Y'en a plus? C'est beau.
Please, do keep making this enjoyable for me. I'll be taking notes.
Oh? Tu te calmes? Ah, je pensais pas. Ah, attends, c'était drôle, excuse-moi. Je pensais pas que... Ouvre la porte. Salut Yarnaby. Il faut monter là-haut. Oui. Ah, il est là-bas. Oh, merci, courage, ça c'est ma route. Ah, il est trop gros pour aller dans les conduits. Hein. Le docteur, ok. C'est pas ça. Du coup c'est une télé. l'arme ascensée, elle est forte là. Yarnavi. Je t'ai rien fait de mal. C'est pas moi, Yes. Ok, c'est fermé. Bah on la regardera à la fin. Moi je dois terminer le jeu. Il faut que je trouve. C'est quoi ce bruit? T'es dans les étagères. Ouais, là. Ça, c'est une cassette. Bah, la cassette verte, voilà.
So, Miss Graver, have you considered what we talked about?
Yes, Mr. Pierre. I won't lie. I was at a loss for words at first. The information hit me pretty hard. I felt so badly. I still do. For the ones that go through the, testing.
You really care about them?
Yes. It hurts to see them hurt. I don't think there's any way around that feeling. But I did some soul searching and got to thinking about the bigger picture, about what your researchers wrote.
And?
Well, the work itself, what you've all been able to do, I mean, it's nothing short of a miracle. I know you have more goals to hit, but even as is, just, wow. Do they know when it'll be fully ready?
We're still working out the timeline.
I see.
You know, the project lead, Dr. Sawyer, wasn't sure about giving you that information in the first place. He thinks your affection towards those kids could be a liability. What do you think about that?
I took this job because I wanted to help change kids' lives for the better. Of course, these procedures are far from ideal. I cried like a baby when I read them. But I started looking past the here and now. Started looking down the road a bit. And that's when it clicked. What your researchers can do down here will someday help a lot of people out there. Including so many kids. That's a bigger and better change than I could ever have hoped to make. That's a change I want to help make.
I knew you'd understand.
Du coup, on a été à... Ouais.
Hello, I'm Pianosaurus.
Un papier. Ouais, attends, il doit bien avoir la carte d'accès quelque part là. Depuis le début, j'ai...
Now that hit the spot. I haven't eaten in weeks. Hiya there, pal. Don't worry, I won't eat you. I'm Doughy. I was told to expect you. This way. Follow me. Interrogation rooms. They question us here after watching us. Those of us who could speak at all. I always answered. I never gave them an answer they liked.
Got another one over here. Jeez. Hard to imagine how the company will duck all this under the rock.
Not our problem.
3 here. How many is that now?
58. So far.
Another one over here.
59.
Where's that investigator? Campbell, Lockhart? Whatever his name is.
Poking around somewhere? Don't know. You ask me? The culprit's obvious. Just needs to be spelled out plain and clear for the bigwigs.
You think?
Yeah. Rotten eggs come from rotten chickens, you know? Can't get more rotten a chicken than him.
I don't know. Just seems too careless that a guy so smart wouldn't cover his ass. I mean, if the investigator finds evidence of this, it's his fault.
Hope Foxy's still hungry.
Got another
60.
Right. And are we just stopping the experiments back where they came from? Acting like all this didn't happen all over the ice? Because I guarantee it won't be so easy to toss a new coat of paint over 60 visitors dead. Or the dozen reconstruction specialists who went swimming in the bellies of those things.
I'm sure that's taken care of already. But I hear there's plans. Something big. Somewhere to put them. With any luck, that means stuff like this, and people like him, will be a thing of the past.
There's more over here.
La. J'avais pas remis mon micro. Je suis un teubé. On coupera à ce moment. Hein. Allez. Ah, bah oui.
There's some nasty balls in this place, but I can get you across. Oh yes, definitely. So, have you seen Poppy anywhere? Ollie said she was around. Somewhere. He also said we can trust you. There's a safe place up ahead. It's not too far from here.
D'accord, nous on se débrouille. Crochet.
Right. You can't get through here. Hey, pal. Let's see if we can't get these doors open. You check out there. I'll look back here. Can this help?
Là. Bon, étonné si t'es dans la cour, hein, tu vois.
Is that you in there? Find anything yet?
Oh. Je suis daltonien. On va dire que ça c'est vert. Attends. De sûr c'est un 3. Ah là peut-être jaune du coup. Ça c'est rouge. 32 jaunes. 32 jaunes, 31 rouges. Et 30 verres. Il y a un mot. Du coup, attends, on a dit 3. C'est combien un code à combien? Attends. Ok, c'est un code à 4 chiffres. Du coup, on avait dit. Ah, attends. 30, 31. On a dit que c'était combien celui-là là-bas là? 32, 33. Du coup, peut-être 0, 1, 2, 3. « 30, 31, 32, 33. Ça serait logique. Ça serait logique, mais... On va essayer, hein. 0, 1. Peut être 3. On retourne sur ça parce que voilà. Alors. Matchbug, super, voilà. 3, 30, 31, 32. 6, attends. Je sais pas pourquoi. Aléatoire, j'ai fait. Oh, c'était pour où le levier? Là, non.
Over here.
Oui, ben, super. J'ai pas... Je vais pas dire j'ai pas toute ma confiance, mais... Je passe un nouveau personnage. J'ai envie de dire aussi, c'est un peu le personnage de l'affiche. Comme au début, on avait Huggy, Mommy, voilà.
Our generator's in a pretty bad state, so we try to keep the power off in here. I'll turn it on for you, though. It'll open a door downstairs.
Oui, du coup, j'étais en train de dire que du coup, c'est un personnage d'affiche, du coup, je me méfie un peu aussi. Vu que c'était les méchants. Bah, non, pas du tout, et voilà.
Here.
Putain, il m'a fait peur.
Use this.
Ça a fait quoi? Ah, ok, il faut mettre des... Est-ce que derrière les cartons là. Il y a un genre de film. Bah, tu veux que j'aille où là? Peut-être ouvrir une autre porte là-bas? Yes. pense pas. Non. Il faut des héros genre lui. Il en faudrait là un dernier nickel.
Great shot from here, bud. I should probably go turn off our defenses for you. Guess I'll see you inside.
Nouvel objectif, atteindre le refuge. On est dans une cuisine. Et il y a des corps. Je l'ai vu là-bas. Peut-être pour parler de leur fils. Ouais, j'aimerais savoir ce qu'il y a là-dedans. Quand même. Mais attends, j'ai cru qu'il y avait une... Ah non, c'est ça. Non, j'ai tilté, j'ai cru qu'il y avait il y avait une cassette. Putain. Oh! Ici. Oh. Poppy. Qu'est-ce? Le prototype? Ah la pauvre elle tremble et tout.
Through the showers.
Elle est toute
Be
cramée.
able to make it into the safe haven from there.
Du coup elle a envie.
When I say so, we go.
Par contre elle est mal, hein. Ça se voit.
Go!
Go. On se go. Faut venir, hein. Allez, viens. Plus vite. Oui, c'est moi. Allez, ouvre la porte. Là.
Hurry! Close it!
What's going on?
Oh, oui.
What's... Jesse! Goodness. What happened?
We need to get her help. Now!
Poppy. Is that really right? Take her to one of the beds. I'll check the defenses. See if something's still outside.
Not just something. It's him. He's out there.
You brought him down? We'll talk about this later. For now, I'll make sure out there is where he stays.
Locking down safe haven. Reactivating the defenses.
Over here.
Ah, la pauvre.
Get some rest, okay?
Explique-toi.
I didn't know it had gotten this bad.
I need to make this right. What I said on the elevator, it's true. The orphans weren't killed during the Hour of Joey. They were taken. They're below, in the labs. The prototype's home. They are alive, but sleeping. They're with him. And he knows we're here. So, if we're going to free them and stop the prototype, we need to plan for both at the same time. The red smoke he redirected from Playcare? It's an accelerant. All it needs is high pressure and a little spark, and it ignites. The plan is this. We'll fill the foundation with smoke and line it with old mining charges. Then once you and Kid here can deal with them, our friends here will blow this place sky high.
Salut toi.
That's our revenge. For now, go to Dowie. See what he needs. I'll be here.
Ah, t'es bébé toi. On se retrouve pour la prochaine vidéo et la suite du coup demain.